Perfect. Perfect. Close. Ah, look at that, idles perfectly. Hey. Yep. Didn't collapse in actually. Yeah, I'm surprised. I thought it was going. Perfect. There you go. Alright, so today for something different we managed to pick up an electric organ. Pitch around it and video back towards it. I've just ripped out all the mad shit. Do it on... Fucking ugly mugs in the way too. Perfect. Ooh. Oh wow. It's just obviously bedded the bearings in well. I was going to say, you're going to have heaps of backlash by the time you run this one in. Christ. That thing is awesome, man. Ready? Yeah. Yep. Perfect. In the horse. Well, not paying us to review it, they can get fucked. So what do you got there, Luke? I'm not telling. Oh, I'm telling you, I get fucking sponsored.
Now, when I went to the side, they lose their Stadium Lillard from the NBA.
Coming over Skyline, towing a trailer that's just suddenly started braking. Woo!
Oh, Jesus.
It's wild, huh? Fire him back up.
What are these guys doing?
They're all checking out, that's Mark and stuff. So I'm in Katoomba, just walking up this cute little lane called Jewel Lane. Interesting backyard. Interesting looking house. And then who's this? Hello. You look like you have a quest for me. A gorgeous cat.
Yeah! No, that was a good one.
What?
Oh, big crap. Oh.
What are you sniffing, Lynn? You want to take my socks as a present, do you? And give them to everybody else? I don't have enough hands for all of you, for Christ's sake! Yes, good puppies. Yes, they're very good. You all happy now? You've all got your pats?
There he is.
Now we see. Flick of the switch. Someone get me a bitch. Back to street mode. Car park shenanigans. Fuck yeah.
Still see the 600 rod mark. So I had to pull back and go dry coat, wet, and I'll finish with, it's got 6 coats, fucking 2 litres of fucking colour on it. That's 6 coats. And then 3 coats clear.
So this is straight off the gun still?
Yeah, my own car, I ain't baited it yesterday.
Jesus.
Still green. So I was just looking for my special knife. So I can see green now. Well, no, the colour is just black tinter, that's it. There's no tint, shade, nothing in it. So they can't fuck that up. If I ever want any more of it, they can't fuck it up because it's got nothing else in there. That's what I said to them. Oh, attitude, I said fucking oath.
So we found a great spot for the 3.8 out of the Hilux. Fits like a dream. It's practically meant to be.
We've just converted the wheelie bin
to fucking mang power.
Somehow it's less reliable than it was before.
Got any candy wheels that have fallen off yet? Bulging. It's a tight squeeze, mate. Should have cut the firewall.
Darn, baby.